So hi guys, back with another video. In this video we are going to discuss about the NOT gate and its characteristics. As you can see that there are two switches here, but only one switch is used to perform the NOT gate characteristic test, and this is the main switch. This I have placed this because I can close the circuit whenever I want and avoid the heating of the LED. So this is the main switch which is going to give the output of 9 volts to the LED when closed, and this is the input switch. Thus when the input switch is off, the LED is going to light up, and the input switch is on, the LED is going to light off. So this is the basic function of the NOT gate circuit. So let us test how this basically works. So guys, let us close the main switch, thus allowing the current to pass through this LED. Yes guys, as you can see, the LED is on and the input switch is still off. So when the input switch is off, the input A is 0 and the output, thus the LED is on, the output is 1. For the A input 0, the output is 1. So thus this represents Y is equals to not A. So let us close it again and check for the second one. So for the second part of the truth table, this states that the input is 1 and the output is 0. I mean, the input 1 states that this second switch or the input switch should be on. So let's on the primary switch or the main switch to allow the current flow. The LED is lightened up. So when you on this switch, the input is 1. So hence when you are oning the switch, the input is 1 and the output is 0, as the LED is off and the LED is not brightened up in this case. So why is this happening? Let's check the circuit and understand how this NOT gate circuit works. So this is the proof of the characteristics displayed by the NOT gate circuit, and the output is being performed perfectly here. So guys, this is the circuit. Basically, when the main switch is on, the current flows through the LED, and when the input switch, which is connected in parallel with the LED and the main switch setup, this parallel connection leads to some current flowing through the input switch. As it consists of less resistance, more current flows through the input switch and less current flows through the LED. Thus the LED stops when you on the input switch. So this is what the circuit functioning of the NOT gate. So this is how I did it. Just connected the positive terminal directly to the P junction of the LED and the negative terminal to the first pin of the main switch, and via I connected this wire to the LED. So when I close this, the LED is gonna bright up. And now basically connected this LED and this input switch with parallel to each other, as you can see, and you can see the circuit that I've made, and according to it you can build your own circuit to perform the NOT gate project. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our